Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's topic, on Monday, South Sudan President Salva Kiir Mayardit made several changes in his office and in the National Security Service Internal Security Bureau. President Salva Kiir Mayardit removed Lieutenant General Changkuoth Nyak from his job as Deputy Director General for Administration and Finance in the Internal Security Bureau. He was replaced by Lieutenant General John Manutwal, who was promoted from a Major General. The Internal Security Bureau is one of the strongest security offices in the country. It has a lot of power, including the ability to arrest people without a court warrant. It is currently led by General Charles Chech Mayor, who was made the head in February. The President Salva Kiir Mayardit also removed Ambassador Ajing Deng Ajing from his job as Chief of State Protocol in the Office of the President. He was replaced by Yar Peter Machar, who was promoted to the rank of Grade 1 Ambassador. In another change, Dominic Jukchom was removed as Executive Director in the President Office. The same Ajing Deng Ajing was appointed to take over the role in the National Parliament. Madud Arop Madud was appointed as a new member. He took the place of his late father Arop Madud Arop, who was a member of the Sudan People Liberation Movement. These changes were announced on South Sudan Broadcasting Corporation. The government did not give any reason for this change. Lawmakers say youths are being arrested and forced into the army. At the same time, lawmakers and families in Juba say that young men are being arrested in the name of fighting crime, but are later forced into military training and sent to war zone. According to reports, security forces have been raiding several areas in Juba, including Gumbo, Shirkat, Muniki, Newsai, Gudele, Sugzande, Ai Baraka, and Jebel Yuswa. Samuel Buhari Loti, a member of parliament from Torit, said many of those arrested are not criminals. He says some youths are disappearing, and those whose families cannot pay bribe are taken to training camp in places like Upper Nile State, which is Nasir, where fighting is still going on. The operation was first about fighting gang, Loti said in a parliament. He said this word, but now it is about arresting young people without reason. Some are even being killed or sent to war zone. He added that families are being asked to pay between 100,000 and 500,000 South Sudanese pounds to release their children. This is very large amount for families because people cannot afford it. Imagine or we can simply say that most civil servants did not get their salary, and the family cannot afford to pay 100,000 or 500,000 South Sudanese to bribe the soldiers to release their sons. Loti asked the parliament to call in security leader for questions. He said many times when family asked why their children were arrested, the police replied that the order come from the above. This operation started after a rape case in Gumbo Shirkat last month, but it quickly turned into mass arrests across Juba. One father, James Carlos, say his 16-year-old son was arrested and later sent to Nasir, where fighting is happening. He said he was told that his son transfer was part of a government program. When I went to the police, he said my son was sent to Nasir because he went there to visit the son and he did not find it. So he was told that your son was already sent to Nasir. I was not okay with this, he said. If someone commit a crime, they should go to court, not to be sent to fight in war. Well, police spokesperson James Monday Inoka said the arrests are part of plan to stop crime. He said only those who commit serious crime like army robbery and rape are arrested. He also said that innocent youths are being released He denied a report that young people are being sent to war zone in place like Nasir. Human rights groups are concerned. According to South Sudan law, it is illegal to force people to join the army, especially children under 18 years old. Local human rights organizations are asking the government to tell families where the arrested youths are being held. Well, some information are not being verified because it is not confirmed that these youths are actually being sent to Nasir. While many media say that most of the youth that were arrested in Juba, most of them are in war zone, and the war zone is in Upper Nile in Nasir County. So this is the information that I have for you. If you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.